But again, today we'll see sunshine all across Green Country. So 74 is our current temp at the airport, with winds coming in from the south right now sustained at 9 miles per hour. We are looking at some upper 60s if you're waking up to that northeastern corner near Pryor, Grove, Coffeyville, all in the upper 60s. Rogers, same with Northwest Arkansas. Low to mid 70s here in Tulsa, Okmulgee, Bristow. It's about 70 for you, and then you have slightly warmer conditions as you head a little bit farther west. Winds will stay from the south today, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Currently, we're seeing around 10-mile-an-hour winds here in the Tulsa area. We have high pressure that's in place now that's going to be bringing us dry and hot conditions for the next couple of days before this ridge of high pressure starts to break down a little bit and move to the east. When that happens, it's going to allow for showers to move back in for the second half of the weekend and then slightly cooler conditions. But for today and tomorrow, look for lots of sun and lots of heat. So here is our future track for Friday. It's sunshine, maybe a few clouds to the east, winds coming in from the south. Those temperatures getting up into the low to mid 90s with a high about 95 in the Tulsa area. Look for some low 90s near Tahlequah, Grove 92 for you, and 91 up in Coffeyville today. Then going into the evening, it stays dry and quiet as we drop back down into the 70s to start our Saturday morning. Saturday's going to be another hot one too. We have that humidity that sticks around. So for today and tomorrow, again, very similar forecast. You're going to start off in the 70s. You're going to warm up into the mid 90s. And with the humidity factored in, the heat index value over the next 2 days will get back up in the low 100s. So today's heat index value about 104. That means that's what it feels like outside this afternoon. It is a muggy start. It will be humid this afternoon. Your winds will be coming in from the south at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And by 6 o'clock, we'll be back down in the low 90s. Now, tomorrow's high 94. And then by Sunday, that's when we start to see a chance for some afternoon showers to come back into the forecast. So that's for Sunday. Monday, that ramps up a little bit for Labor Day. The temperatures will drop just a little bit with that because you get the clouds and the rain. So then we'll see temperatures back down in the upper 80s then for the start of next week. That chance for some afternoon